So today we're talking about the 4 types of angles that students learn about in 4th grade. Acute angles, which we talk about as a cute little angle, has a measurement less than 90 degrees. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. It forms a corner and it's marked with this little box because the lines are perpendicular. And where they are perpendicular, where they meet, they make the 90-degree angle. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. So this would be an example of an obtuse angle. Except for the exception of a straight angle, which looks like a line when students look at it. So in this example, XYZ is actually straight angle XYZ, and the measurement is 180 degrees. The reason that's important is when students use a protractor. So when we use a protractor, there are 2 scales. And so students need to look at the angle to determine which scale to use. When they're using the protractor, the first step is to make sure that they put the whole of the protractor over the vertex of the angle. The vertex is the point where the 2 rays meet. It's the center of the angle. And once they do that, they need to make sure that the black line that appears on their protractor lines up with the base ray so that it's on 0. So when students look at this angle and they're measuring it, they need to think, is this a 70-degree angle or a 110-degree angle? Well, if they look at that angle, they can tell that it's greater than a right angle because a right angle is 90 degrees. So since it's greater than 90 degrees or a right angle, we need to use the scale on top, which is marked as 110 degrees. The example beneath it would be an example of an acute angle, because when they look at the angle, they can tell that it is less than a 90-degree angle. So they want to use the inside scale, which in this example would be 34 degrees.